Introducing the industry's first hybrid wheelchair accessible van, the all-new 2021 Sienna Hybrid with a BraunAbility Power Fold-Out XL conversion. It's roomy, stylish, and fuel efficient with an average up to 36 miles per gallon. The new chassis has all that you expect from BraunAbility and one of the largest interiors available. Note the 56-inch door opening height, the 31-inch door opening width, and the 1,000-pound capacity power fold-out ramp with usable width of 29¼ inches. One drive and you'll simply fall in love with the all-new 2021 Toyota Sienna Hybrid from BraunAbility. Removable front seating, integrated cup holders, theater LED lighting throughout the cabin. If you're looking for the most state-of-the-art chassis and conversion combination, look no further. Drive the all-new Toyota Sienna Hybrid from BraunAbility. If you have any questions about this or any other wheelchair accessible conversions, please contact one of our mobility consultants by visiting superiorvan.com. Thanks for watching.